If you press right here, is it painful? If it's painful, it's maybe a swollen lymph node, and a swollen lymph node will block the drainage for your sinuses, but also will block the veins and put some pressure on the veins, and that can give you a tension headache, or maybe pressure to your sinuses. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you drain this lymph node so you can get pain-free. All right, my name is Rune Aabø, and now I'm going to show you how you drain this lymph node. Make sure you subscribe so you can learn even more how I do this and how you can learn how to drain your lymph nodes and regulate the fluid flow. But all the magic in my videos is regulating fluid flow, because pain is just unregulated fluid flow. So go in with your thumb like this, squeeze it, drain upwards, and then you can squeeze that lymph node, gets smaller, and will not put pressure on your sinuses or pressure on your nerves and veins. And you can squeeze it like this, and if it's not tender anymore, that lymph node head gets smaller, and maybe you can feel, oh, the pressure in my head is so much better now, because I think headache and tension headache is only fluid, unregulated fluid flow. So you need to drain those lymph nodes. All the smallest passage you need to drain, open up, so the fluid flow gets normal. So headache, I think, is, if you need to check your neck also, because if your neck is tender, you can go like this, or you can turn your head around. If it's painful on this side or this side, it's unregulated fluid flow to your jaw. Check your jaw and check your lymph node like I showed you. Drain that lymph node and check, squeeze that masseter muscle, pinch this neck muscle like this, pinch it, and then you get optimal fluid flow to your head, and maybe your tension headache is gone. So make sure you subscribe if you want to learn more hacks, and comment if this worked for you. My passion in life is to help you get pain-free. And all the videos I'm showing you comes from a treatment called lymphatic treatment. And I have 2,500 clients every year on my bench. As you can see, I'm a muscle therapist. Thank you for watching, and keep watching if you want to learn more. Thank you.